ओके, सच्चाई बताए तो भाई अभी के लिए कुछ भी एंट्री नहीं है। ओके, यहाँ पे देखोगे तो ये स्वीप के अंदर ये स्वीप के अंदर इट वाज सपोज टू गो अपसाइड, बट यहाँ पे मार्केट स्वीप के अंदर इट वाज सपोज टू गो डाउन। कंफ्यूजन है मार्केट में भाई, कंफ्यूजन है राइट नाउ। एंड अभी सेल के लिए लेते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है, लेट्स गो विद द सेल्स। एंड क्या मार्क करते हैं, ये मार्क कर देते एक लेवल। जगह तो है नहीं ज़्यादा जाने का, हाई तक के लिए तो ये तो नहीं, ये मार्क करके भी तो ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ तक का 1:1 ही मिलता, तो ये मार्क कर ले रहे हैं, बस यही मार्क कर ले रहे हैं। ओके, दैट्स इट भाई साहब, डर का माहौल काफ़ी था। Okay, so whatever this thing is, right? I know I'm late, but kind of I couldn't come early, right? Okay. ठीक है। अबे ये लोग साला नहीं बनता क्या? देखो अभी फिर से लाइक अभी तो कनेक्ट ही नहीं हुआ इसमें, अभी भी रुको देखते क्या सीन। देखो इसीलिए बोल रहे, देखो वापस चला गया ना भाई मेरे, ये ऊपर चला गया वापस से। इट्स लाइक डजंट इट डजंट रियली मेक सेंस टू जस्ट गो फ्रॉम हियर। ओके, सो इट वोंट, ऑब्वियसली इट वोंट, कॉज जगह ही नहीं है। ओके, price requires space to move, price require space for the TP. Okay, you're gonna just render and then be like, oh, you should hit. No, 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 that's not how it works, man. That's not how it works. La. Okay, let's see क्या होता है। ओ भाई ये ख़राब कर दिया मूव है साला। भाई वो अरे हट साला, क्या चल रहा है? हाँ 1 घंटा। ओके ओके, ये रिजेक्ट करेगा तो वील एंटर। ओके, इफ दिस रिजेक्ट्स वील एंटर हो गया एंड तुम्हें सब चीज़ दिख रहा होगा। यस, रनिंग। मेरे को चाहिए रेड। यस, मच बेटर मच बेटर। यहाँ से एस एल इस पर रखिएगा 292। इसके ऊपर रखेंगे एस एल 1:2 नहीं बन रहेगा तो दिक्कत है फिर। अगर क्लोज होता है रिजेक्ट तब, या ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब ऐसे यहाँ घुसना है घुस जाते हैं, नहीं ऐसे मत करना, कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है फिर। नहीं क्लोज हुआ, बच गया, आने दो उसको वापस ऊपर। नहीं क्लोज हुआ, नहीं क्लोज हुआ, लेट्स गो। अच्छा उधर वाला ठीक। हम सोचे चेंज इसमें लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगा। तो जस्ट कन्फर्म, आई वाज जस्ट कन्फर्म। ओके, तुरंत में खोले तुरंत बंद किया तो होता है। अब देखो यहाँ पे भाई एंट्री मिला नहीं अपने को। ओके, यहाँ पे एंट्री मिला नहीं मेरे को, या काइंड ऑफ तो बोल सकते हो कि क्लोज किया। हाँ, फिर से एंट्री लेके अंदर इट कैन जस्ट ड्रॉप, बट द थिंग इज what I need over here is just price to come back over here. Tap L. Okay, this one is done. M5 right. Okay, यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं है, M15 में कुछ नहीं है, it's all good. I mean like everything is good right. और ये ब्रेक भी कर दिया इसको तुमको इसके साथ नीचे के साइड। तो बेरिश तो है मार्केट, एंट्री दे दे बस यहाँ पे। हाँ, बहुत नीचे जा चुका है भाई अब, मतलब इन द सेंस कि ये मूव हो चुका है यहाँ से यहाँ तक। फिर मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए, ना ये चाहिए, ना ये चाहिए। अब मार्केट यहाँ पे आए, 5 मिनट चलेंगे हम लोग। ये चला जाए 3 मिनट चलेगा, 5 मिनट पे ये होगा एंड 15 मिनट पे भी यही होगा। तो इम्पोर्टेंट कौन सा है याद है राइट? लाइक लास्ट वीडियो, रिमेंबर, इफ देयर इज अ हायर टाइम फ्रेम विल टेक द हायर टाइम फ्रेम। SL will be up that, so it's fine. It's not a problem. It's not a problem, my friends. Okay, so even if it comes back, we can just take a sell from here because it's an M5 and M15. M15 और M30 रहता तो अच्छा रहता, लेकिन मतलब ये होगा M13 के साथ होगा यस, लेकिन अभी काइंड क्लोज नहीं हुआ है तो इट्स डिफरेंट थिंग, बट दैट्स फाइन। भाई I don't want it to like come over here right now. What I want is to this thing like 3 close cannot. This one is also like 3 close cannot. This one at the top one and oh wait 15 right. यहाँ पे तो आ नहीं सकता है ये 15 मिनट टच नहीं है 15 मिनट टच कर देना भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम है 15 मिनट में टच नहीं किया 15 मिनट टच कर दो then we can sell from here putting SL over here 30 pips around 30 pips so it's gonna be like 0.08 yes yeah, I just want to take the sells that's it nothing more nothing less in this trade okay just drop sometimes it happens okay हर बार हम लोग नहीं ले सकते एटलीस्ट बायस चाहिए अपना इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ कि किधर जा रहा है मार्केट अभी एंटर नहीं चाहिए मेरे को I mean like it's gonna take lows right so हाँ आराम से यहाँ से कितना ये हो जाएगा ये नहीं हुआ ये हुआ 10 मिनट है भाई 10 मिनट है 10 मिनट है okay this one is bad ये सबसे टॉप वाला ही और कुछ नहीं है 5 भाई 15 मिनट में सेम ही है 5 मिनट पे भी तो सेम ही चल रहा है यहाँ पे ये ब्रेक किया मल्टीपल टाइम्स वी कैन टेक एन एंट्री ओवर देयर एंड देन ख़त्म बस इतना ही है 5 मिनट में देखते हैं क्या होता है क्लोज हो गया यस क्लोज हो गया अब लेट्स इस तो हाईएस्ट पे जाना पड़ेगा यहाँ से लेके हाईएस्ट पे अभी देखो ये दिक्कत कर रहा है मेरे को चाहिए ना भाई दिमाग ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रहा है राइट मेरे को 15 भाई ये 15 मिनट में ऊपर तक आ जाए भाई खींच के यहाँ तक इसके ऊपर आ जाए एंट्री नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ से भाई एंट्री लेके भी क्या ही होगा 1:2 भी नहीं मिल रहा है इसका लो तक विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ रिस्की ओके जब भी 1:2 भी नहीं देगा ना इट्स लाइक काइंड ऑफ रिस्की बट आई मीन लाइक वी कैन डेफिनेटली टेक इट बट अभी तो ये तो नीचे के साइड रिजेक्ट करके बहुत इट्स अ फकिंग बिग कैंडल मैन एंड SL विल बी अबव 70 pips ना कैनॉट गिव इट too much to lose in this thing too much to lose in this thing ये तो नहीं ले रहे चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए एक बार और टच करें and then we reject then only तो कैंडल क्लोजर में टाइम है राइट सो बहुत ही ख़राब कैंडल है एंट्री के लिए भाई बहुत ही ख़राब एंट्री आई डोंट इवन लाइक दिस एंट्री टू बी ऑनेस्ट नाउ इट्स लाइक व्हाट द फक इज दिस एंट्री यहाँ पे ले सकता था और कुछ नहीं एंट्री मिलता है यहाँ पे वो भी मार्केट वापस ऊपर के साइड आ गया ये होल्ड कर रहा है जस्ट कॉस्ट 30 राइट 30 पे ये ब्रेक किया सीप किया ब्रेक किया नीचे के साइड जाना चाहिए लेकिन इट इज़ जस्ट काइंड ऑफ होल्डिंग दैट इट कैन रिवर्स तो कैन वी सेल फ्रॉम हियर ना ऐसे बेटर बी सेफ मैन better be safe in this conditions. Hello, Leo Sor bhai, hello, what's up bhai, what's up? कितने देर भाई मैसेज भाई ओके माय बैड नहीं पढ़ पाया गलती से छूट गया हेलो टाइम स्टैम्प 5:52 ओके जस्ट 1 मिनट पहले तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ राइट हेलो I guess he's out. How you doing, bro? I'm good. Everything is good, man. Just like last month, I hit a losing streak, and that's it. I hit a losing streak, and it was bad as fuck. It was really fucking bad, and that's it. Like nothing more. It's trading. We hit losing streak. We win. We made a comeback. That's it. We can't do anything else. So yeah, tell me about you, man. Like what's up? What you doing, man? How's your trading going, man? Possibly it's great, right? What's your analysis for upcoming month in gold? Month? What the heck, month? Possibly it's gonna upcoming month, you mean? Then possibly it's gonna oh fuck, it's weekly. Possibly I want this to take this high, that's it. I just want price to take this high and maybe then fall, or maybe this high, these two highs, so we'll be bullish, and depends on like how quickly price takes the highs, because as soon as it takes the highs, we are good to go for the sells. Okay, so again it's the same thing, right? Like we can even though it is bearish, but M30 is holding this off by what? This thing, I don't know, this did it hold off H1? No, it did. So this is holding off this thing over here. What do you say? What is this called? This is called multi-frame HTF confirm. Okay, confirm. So it is holding by this thing. That's it. There isn't anything much in gold. Possibly you can get something else in other pairs, but not in gold right now. Right now, gold is just going to go for the buys. Other than that, nah, nothing serious. Okay, nothing serious to go in the buys for gold. And this also, like, it's kind of risky to sell. Okay, to be honest, yeah, this is kind of risky to sell. We cannot sell right now just because, okay, it took the low out. It is still respecting the H1 HB or the gap. It can just reverse, to be honest. Yeah, okay, so why you wanna risk it? And if you want to go, if price closes above this, we can just continue for the buy. So it doesn't really make sense to take trade today right now. Okay, if we yeah, this is what I was saying. Like my entry is on M1, right? So it takes like quickly, it rejects and then drops. It won't wait for your levels to tap. It won't wait for anything. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down. If it doesn't want to go down, it doesn't. It's never like, oh, it's gonna take time. Nah, it's fine. It's just gonna drop or not. That's the only two things that can happen, right? What's your analysis for today? For me today, analysis, man, like, see, from yesterday only, like, today. In the morning, I saw this thing. It took this out. I'm like, good. It took this level in this case, and it is trying to go upside. And for me, it is bullish right now. In this case, on H1 it is bullish, but on M30 it is bearish. On M30, this one, it took this QM and it tries to go down, but now it touched again a roadblock. Now after touching a roadblock, it depends on this candle. Okay, it depends on this candle that if it is gonna go upside or downside. Possibly it's gonna just close because H1, right? H1 is also going to, oh no, H1 is still like 30 minutes. Okay, so this possibly, if it closes below this, we can still go for the sells and continue. It's gonna, I don't know if you have watched the recent video about the roadblocks, cause in that I explained why and when which roadblocks gonna work. Okay, sometimes people think as roadblock as a POI, which is not. POI is different. POI is the area where you're supposed to sell or buy, but or no, POI is the area where you're supposed to find confirmation, but roadblock is not for confirmations, man. Roadblock is not for confirmation. Roadblock is for taking the trades. Yeah, correct. It's correct. Roadblock is to take the trades in the same direction. If it is in different direction, yeah, you can look for some confirmations, but in the different direction. So it's kind of confusing. Okay, if you don't practice, it's kind of confusing whenever I say this thing. See, again, that's why I told you, like, it's gonna just fucking go up. It's gonna go up. No, nothing. It won't even be like, oh, will it go up? No, it's gonna go up. If it doesn't closes below, right, it's gonna go up. That's how market works. That's how it will work in this case also. So just beware, man. Just be fucking aware. And for me also, like, I can take an entry over there. So it's nothing more. It's gonna go up. It's holding, right? As long as this thing is rejecting over here, it's not gonna go. Wait, let me check. As long as it I cannot, but yeah, as long as it's holding this thing, it's gonna go upside. Okay, so it depends on the H1 or M5 candle. Yeah, again, like M5 M30, right, it already touched. So if again it tries to break this level, right, 2 time frames below over this thing, if it continues to break this is right, it's gonna fucking definitely go up. It's even though this took the highs, or yeah, it can target this high, and then it depends on that time frame if it wants to come down or it can continue. So these are the 2 things I'm just worrying about. That's it, nothing else. So how difficult is trading? I want to know your POV on this. Trading is easier when you okay, I'll tell you something. Trading is the easiest thing to learn, but the only problem is that the person who wants to learn, they want to try or they want to make things difficult for themselves. It's the easy thing. It's the fucking easy thing. You just have to come 1 hour, like 2 hour, maximum 2 hours, and then just learn it off. That's the whole thing. But it's kind of like trading is the worst community to be in, because it's a fucking so many scammers over here. So fucking many scammers over here. Everyone wants to earn money because they don't know trading. Okay, they can't do. They just want they know the concepts they can teach, but they cannot trade themselves. I'm like, what the fuck? Seriously, man. So it's the worst trading it's the worst trading community or this thing you can have. But because when I used to trade, right, I was profitable in my first two second year. Why? Because I got a mentor. Actually, kind of a friend. Okay, not mentor, but he was like, because I was his first one. Okay, first student, second maybe. So he fucking solved everything what I needed. But why I fucked up? Because I wanted to learn something new. I went to liquidity. I went to SMC. I went to ICT. All these things. Okay, not SMC. SMC is the SND is the only thing I become proud of. So I went to SMC, ICT, other things, and where I used to make the payout, I fucked it up and I just forgot like how am I supposed to do this thing. Okay, so people make themselves the problem over here. It's not about trading. Trading is the easiest thing. No, it's the easiest thing. Cause I'm trading my friend. Not trading my friend. Just right now, I'm teaching my friend trading. Okay, and he's doing great, man. Great, fucking in. Like he's taking the same trades as me. He's taking all the good trades. and we are just focusing on his win rate right now. So 1:1, and that's it. We are booking that thing. So, to be honest, really trading is the easiest thing. I told him because trading is the easiest thing for competitive people, like people who are athlete, people who are like in a competitive games like esport or something. If you grind rank, right? If you can grind rank, you can trade. Simple as that. It's nothing difficult over here. If you can grind rank, you can trade. That's it. People might be saying, "Oh no, you cannot." It's easiest. It's as simple as how you grind ranks in your games like BGMI, um, Valo, or something else. Any game. So it's that simple. But people make it difficult for themselves, man. To be honest, and it kind of sucks. Like it kind of sucks for them. But again, what can I say? And that's my opinion because everyone says it's hard. No, it's not. It's not hard for me. It wasn't hard for me. Oh, what the heck, man, this guy. If you're not competitive, you are not gonna win. If you're competitive enough, you'll win eventually. It's fine. It's just grinding. It's grinding games. So you need to find an edge, like how you find a edge in BGMI or Valorant. You find an edge. Okay, if I do this thing, or maybe spot the areas, the best areas. I need to find. That's the edge. That's the edge you need to find. Okay, in this trading, and then you're good to go. Fuck it. But again, most people be like, "Oh, I found the edge, but I won't be using this. Why? Because it won't be fair." You need to get the points, right? You need to get the points in. If you are in the tournament, you need to get the points in. You cannot be like, "Oh, I don't want to take this thing. Or, I don't want because it's not fair." Trading is not fair, and this and that. It's about winning. That's it. Either you win, either you lose. It's not in between. Oh, I am fair. I won't do anything. So you won't be making money. That's the whole thing. You understand my point, right, Leosaurus? Because that's how it is, and that's how you should treat trading. It's a competition. It's a tournament. Because most people take his head. No, it's not a tournament. It's a bad thing. You should not make money from this because someone else is losing. He's also participating in the competition. What is that? So you to just keep grinding and ranking up. That's it. There's nothing else in this thing. Okay, to be honest. Okay, yeah. So what'll happen? I don't know if it closes below. It's gonna just fucking break and then. Okay, either H1 breaks over here or maybe this thing M30 breaks. M50. No. The heck? M30 breaks. Yeah. M30 breaks over here and it'll just invalidate the trade. So it doesn't really make sense for me. Okay. So okay, so this is for today. Okay, see you tomorrow possibly because market is not moving anywhere. Okay, so from morning only, like it is just in this range. Like what is this? 330 330 pips range. So what, you don't want to waste time. So see you next time. Bye 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 bye.